maths class. Previous class we discussed about the volume of combination of solid. Today we are going to discuss the conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. Then one shape of, suppose that one sphere is there, we are changing that to cylinder. Then we want to find the height of the cylinder, like that question. Otherwise one hemisphere is there, we are changing that into cone. Then you want to find the slant height of the cone, like that question you want to find out. Then which one is changing to another one? You knows that the volume of both solid will be equal. Suppose that we are changing one sphere to the cylinder, then volume of the previous sphere will be equal to the volume of the new cylinder. That relation we are combining and finding the unknown quantity. First question, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and we cast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. One sphere was there that we melted and changed into the shape of a cylinder, and cylinder radius is given. You want to find the height of the cylinder. Then I already told that first one is sphere. Then the volume of the sphere will be equal to the volume of the new cylinder formed. So volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. Both pi we can cut. Then substitute the values. You will get h is equal to 4 into 4.2 all cube divided by 6 into 6 into 3. You will get 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4, that is equal to 2.74 centimeter will be the height of the cylinder. Next question. Metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively melted to form a single sphere. Three small spheres are there. We are melting that and we are forming a single sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. That big sphere we are forming, that new sphere radius you want to find out. Then we know that theory, the volume of the sum of the volume of that small three spheres is equal to volume of the single sphere we formed. Then we know that the volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then 4 by 3 pi into 6 cube. Here radius will be 8 cube. Here will be 10 cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here capital R is the radius of the new sphere or big sphere we formed. Then 4 by 3 pi will be the common that we cut. Then 2160, 512 plus 1000 is equal to r cube. Then 1728 is equal to r cube. R is equal to cube root of 1728, that is equal to 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter will be the radius of the resulting sphere. Next question. A 20 meter deep well with a diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter into 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Then you know that well is in the shape of a cylindrical shape. Then digging a well, that earth taken, that we are keeping in the form of a platform. Platform means that will be in the shape of a cuboid. Then what is the relation will be there? The volume of the well will be equal to the volume of the earth taken out of that well. Clear that? Then we are writing that volume of the well is equal to volume of the earth taken out of the well. Volume of the well, you know that this will be in the shape of a cylinder. So pi r square h is equal to L into B. Platform will be in the shape of a cuboid. Then length and breadth they already given. Height only you want to find out. Find the height of the platform. So L into B into H and substitute the values. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 is equal to 22 into 14 into H. So H is equal to 720 divided by 22 into 40. After calculation you will get H is equal to 2.5 meter. That will be the height of the platform or height of the cuboid formed by using the earth taken from the well. Next question. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. A well is, its diameter is given 3 meter and depth or H is given 14 meter. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form embankment. That means one well is there. After taking that earth, it is spread around the well. Then we got a circular ring. Suppose that this is the well, first circle. Around that, the earth is spread in the form of a circular ring. To form an embankment, find the height of the embankment. We spread that earth around the well and you want to find that what will be the height of that embankment. H you want to find out. Then you know that volume of the well is equal to volume of the circular ring formed. After taking that earth from the well, we spread that earth around the well and we form an embankment. So its embankment will be in the form of a circular ring. Then volume of the well is equal to volume of the circular ring formed. Circular ring means this will be. Then pi r square minus r square, because first we will find out the area of the bigger one, that is pi r square. Then we will find out the volume of area of the well. Then we will subtract, then you will get this part. First we will find out the area from here to here, we will find out. Just look. First we will find out the area from here to here. Okay. Then we will subtract that area from the well area. Then you will get this embankment of this part, ring area you will get. So capital R is equal to the radius of the bigger circle, that is equal to 3 by 2 plus 4, you got 11 by 2. Then radius of the well you know that is 3 by 2. Then pi r square minus r square, you will get area. Then if you are multiplying that with h, you will get the volume of the embankment or circular ring. Then after this a square minus b square form, then you know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Using that we solve this. Then 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into h, r is here, h. Then we will get h is equal to 63 by 56, that is 1.125 centimeter. That will be the height of the embankment. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm full of ice cream. A container is that is in the shape of a cylinder. That the ice cream, it contains ice cream. The ice cream is filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. So a container shaped in the form of a cylinder, that container is full of ice cream, that we are changing that ice cream into cones. Cone having a hemispherical top on the top side, hemispherical also the shape also the. We are changing that cylindrical, from that cylindrical container, we are changing that to cones. And you want to find out number of cones which needed to change this cylindrical container to this. So first you want to find the volume of the container or volume of the cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h, pi into 6 into 6 into 15. We are not calculating now because we can cancel pi and all. That's why we kept this way. Next will be volume of the cone with the hemisphere on the top. Not only cone, in the top there is hemisphere also. So the volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. That will be the total volume of that cone. So 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r square will be common. H plus 2r. Then you got 54 pi. Then total volume you got. Volume of one cone also you got. Then divide total volume divided by volume of one cone. You will get number of cones required. So pi into 6 into 6 into 15 divided by 54 pi. Pi and pi we can cut. Then 10 cones is needed to change that cylinder container to the cones. So n is equal to 10. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep, flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 cm standing water is needed? This is the question. So, canal means that will be in the shape of a cuboid. Water in a canal, that all will be in the shape of a cuboid. Water flowing through a pipe, like that, if that we will take as a cylindrical shape. So, first you want to find the volume of water in the canal. So, for B is given 6 meter, height is given 1.5 meter, length we will take the speed. Length we will take as 10 km per hour. What is the meaning that in 1 hour it is moving 10 km. So, in 60 minutes it is moving 10 km. You want to find the in 30 minutes. So, in 30 minutes length will be 10 by 2, that is equal to 5 km. So 5 into 1000, that means 5000 meter, because all the remaining measurements are given in meter. So length also we are changing to meter, that you got 5000 meter. Next we are finding volume of water in canal in 30 minutes. I already taught that canal in the shape of a cuboid. So L into B into H you want to find out. So 6 into 1.5 into 30 minutes length we are taken as 5000 meter. So 6 into 1.5 into 5000 we will get 45,000 meter cube will be the volume of water in the canal in 30 minutes. Next one is we want to find out how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 cm standing water is needed. So volume of water in canal is equal to volume of area irrigated, and volume of area irrigated means area irrigated into height. So, volume of water in the canal you already got 45,000, that is equal to area irrigated into height. How much water needed? 8 cm standing water. 8 cm means 8 by 100 meter. So, area irrigated into 8 by 100 meter. Then, area irrigated you want to find out. Then we will take this, that become 100 by 8. Then you will get 5,62,500 meters square or 56.25 hectares area will irrigate if 8 centimeters standing water is using. Okay children, we can meet on the next class. Thank you.